We're all familiar with the overwhelming benefits of lifting weights. Simply putting our muscles and cardiovascular system through an intentional series of specific exercises repeatedly over time can greatly impact our health and development in remarkable ways. Well, equally, it has been proven to be of immense advantage to think about the mind in the same way, like a collection of muscles that we can condition, strengthen, and energize. That's today. The 5-stage LifeDeck exercise system. As a body requires consistent exercise to stay fit, our mental well-being greatly benefits from intentional and regular workouts. To build our mind muscles of awareness, focus, and deepen our discipline, these techniques include introspective writing exercises, list making, meditation, and goal setting, among many other tools, techniques, and practices. And as our physical fitness is definitely not a given or in a static state, neither is our mental fitness. However, there's a misperception that our brains are fixed, that there is little room for optimization, that they're either generally healthy or not, and there's not much we can do about it, aside from perhaps chemical intervention. However, because of the brain's incredible neuroplasticity, it can be conditioned, strengthened, and made more flexible, just as the muscles of the body. It can be nourished for optimal functioning and performance. Ancient Greek philosopher Plutarch once said, "The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled." This quote emphasizes the idea that the mind is not merely a container for information, but rather a source of potential and energy that needs to be fueled and attended to through the process of learning and critical thinking. A more contemporary example would be that of Albert Einstein, when he said, "Education is not the learning of facts, but the training of the mind to think." Within the LifeDeck system, there are 5 main areas of exercise for the mind. The first is self-love, followed by beliefs, then passions, goals, and finally the exercise of action. Let's go through each one of them in more detail and why each one is so important. Consider first the foundational muscles of self-love. These can be considered our core muscles that provide the strength and power for all other movement. These are the first and most important muscles that need to be developed with repetition, by embracing our flaws and treating ourselves with compassion in order to build the mental resilience needed to face life's hurdles. Second is exercising our muscles of belief, and especially reconditioning old limiting beliefs. Similar to how weightlifting sculpts the body, shaping our beliefs sculpts our reality. Eleanor Roosevelt's insight resonates. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Training our belief system involves lifting mental weights, shedding self-doubt, and fostering unwavering confidence in our abilities. Third is rebuilding our passions. These muscles are often overlooked and quite weak. However, reinvigorating our mind muscles of passion fuels our stamina and raises our energies. Well-conditioned and exercised passion centers will provide our lives with joyful endurance. Fourth are our goal-setting muscles. These are the muscles of strategic planning and commitment. They provide the structure and focus, like a good fitness plan, to direct our efforts with clear and achievable goals. Regardless of what age you are or what stage of life, as C.S. Lewis captures, you are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. The fifth and final exercise group is around our muscles of action. Similar to pushing the body consistently to new heights, consistent action challenges the mind, pushing us beyond our perceived limits. Winston Churchill encapsulated this with his ever-witty sense by saying success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Action, like exercise, catalyzes mental growth and success. So it's time to start a new mental fitness regimen. where our mind is not seen as a passive observer, where it's observed as an incredible muscle that can be strengthened, fine-tuned, conditioned to be more focused, more disciplined, more joyful, and less stressed. After all, science and ancient wisdom alike are clear. Mental fitness requires intentional effort. And as we embrace the discipline of our mental workout routine, we unlock the potential for a resilient, agile, and fulfilling life. A life that you are worthy of. As always, thanks for watching and supporting us. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And be sure to check out this next video on your journey of building your potential.